Hey, it's me, Shindar. And I have like these weird abilities that like I could do weird animal sounds and stuff. It's kind of cool, but it gets annoying after a while. I'll show them to you. It's pretty cool. People think I have a talent for it, but I just think I was just bored and copied off the zoo one day or something like that. Maybe Tarzan was my ancestor, I don't know. Well, like, here goes, like, this is the duck, the monkey, the dolphin, the elephant, uh, the Wookiee. Um, I know a few birds, like, and lots of weird things like that. And let's see, maybe I could do this like alien thing, like, like that X-Files crap, like, yeah, that crap. I freak people out like that sometimes. That's cool. Let's see what else. I don't even know what that is. I just do it sometimes to scare my brother. And I also do this to scare my brother. I hide in the corner, and as he's coming by, I go like, yeah, kind of like the Exorcist scream. Kind of hurts my throat, but it's worth it. And let's see what else. Wait, I think that's all. Well, yeah, have fun with this video. Show it to your friends. I know, I am weird. And cool at the same time, and hot and sexy.